Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learned up to this point. Now here is a picture. In this picture, on buffalo egret is sitting on the buffalo. Now, why it is sitting over it? Actually, the purpose behind it is a ride also, and whatever insects are there, parasites are there on the skin, like grasshopper, various insects are sitting on the buffalo. This egret eats that. Buffalo, what is the benefit of buffalo here? Buffalo get rid of that insect. And what is the benefit of this egret? It gets ride also. Means both purposes solved by these living things. Now, have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. Tick bird sits on zebra. The animal which is riding is called as tick bird and which sits on zebra. The animal which gives ride. Zebra gives ride to that tick bird. Okay. And why they are riding? To eat the insects on the skin. Understood? Which animals do we use for riding? We use horse, elephant, camel, donkey, yak for riding. Which animals do we use for carrying loads? Usually, for carrying heavy loads, we use camel, donkey, yak. We use all these animals for carrying loads also. Now here is one activity, make your own elephant. Copy the drawing of the elephant given on the next page in a bigger size on a thick sheet of paper. Make small cuts where it says cut in the picture. Be careful not to cut off the part. Fold along the dotted lines. Fold the part with lines, slanting lines pattern and push them underneath. Cut out the tall and stick it on. Cut out the tail and stick on it. Now I will turn the page. Here is the elephant. Here is the elephant that shape you have to make on a paper. Your elephant is ready. Color it and decorate it. Put up an exhibition in class of all the paper elephants that you have made. Now this is not possible as we are not gathering in class. So here on page number 29, look at these pictures and read what these animals are sharing with their friends. Discuss these narratives sensitively in the class. Now, narratives means what? Narratives means narration by these animals. Now, what snake is saying? The basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. The snake charmer who is keeping the snakes in the basket, in the bamboo basket. So, how the snake feels to sit in it? He is feeling very sad and he don't know. He don't know actually how jungle is and how what fresh air is there. Understood? Secondly, you see me in circus, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. Now, in circus, have you ever seen that ring of fires are there and they are jumping? These animals jump through this fire and the owner of the circus give them food. Means what? जो पिंजरे में हम बंद करते हैं एनिमल्स को यानी फिर उनकी जो लाइफ है वो लिमिटेड लाइफ है. लिमिटेड इन द सेंस जो हम बताएंगे वही वो करेगा. मीन्स ही इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग वेरी बैड एंड ही इज नरेटिंग हिज स्टोरी. फायरिंग थ्रू जंप करना इज नॉट अ जोक. इज नॉट अ जोक. डू यू थिंक दैट आई ऑल्सो एन्जॉय ऑल दिस? हमने कभी सोचा है क्या ये कभी एंजॉय करता है? इफ आई डू नॉट डू दिस आई विल गेट नो फूड. दिस डॉग इज टेलिंग दैट इफ आई डू नॉट डू दिस आई विल गेट नो फूड. खाना नहीं मिलेगा, ओनली गेट अ बीटिंग. मारते हैं रिंग मास्टर फिर. दे आर गोइंग टू बीट मी. Now, see what horse is telling. You have only seen how fast I run. For racing purpose, for carrying load, horses are to be used. Horses are to be domesticated. Have you seen my shoes? Means, really, is it wearing shoes? No. Means, its feet are having natural shoes. Feet are having natural shoes. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hooves? घोड़े की नाल जो बोलते हैं ना, हम उसके फीट को फिक्स कर देते हैं. Why they are fixing that? And because of that they are getting very much pain to my hooves. Hooves in the sense feet. Okay. Now here they make us dance and dance and dance even if we don't want to or we are in pain. That too with an empty stomach. बंदरों का नाच कभी देखा है? तो बंदर नाचते हैं और फिर बाद में उनको खाना मिलता है. They also feel very bad while dancing. Now, meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Means children love very this soft cat or small kitten and they pat me. Patting means ऐसे हाथ थपथपाना. They pat me and also give me milk. Now, Guttergu. Do you know people specially call out to me to feed me with grain. कबूतर को दाना डालते हुए देखा है ना? So, it is telling like that.